It's kind of fun here. Uh-huh. Hmm. Uh-huh. I feel like dancing. Come on. Woohoo. Mm. Yeah. I really like the light over there. It has tons of colors. I know, right, Coconut? Yeah. It looks so cool. Guys, I could do tons more moves than you. Really? Haha. Then show us. I will. Ah. Oh, maybe that wasn't so much of good. Hmm. Oh, it wasn't that bad, was it? Forget about it. It is pretty fun here, but I don't feel like breakdancing. I do. Whoa. Whoa. Ha, you're really good at that. That was beginners. And for rookies, I can do better. But you just did horrible. That was just a warm up. Really? But you're much better than him. I know. Who cares? Anyways, guys, time to eat. I don't really feel hungry. Me neither. Yeah, I don't think any of us do. Wow, penguin spark time. Woo! Penguin spark, penguin spark, penguin spark, penguin, penguin, penguin spark. Penguin spark, penguin spark, penguin spark. Okay, who cares? Those lights are really shiny. I know, Coconut said they were, and I believe it. And Coconut. There's so many colors. It looks like me. I have so many colors. I have blues, I have greens, I have yellows, and I have pinks. I'm only missing purple. I do have a little bit of purple, but it's very light. Yeah, but almost like it. Oh, I have a cough. Chill. Bless you. Thank you. I really think I should go home. I mean, I enjoy this party and everything, but I really feel sick. Okay, Pepper. Well, I'll accompany you home. Yeah, so will I. It's a shame that you'll have to leave. Yeah, but I do feel sick. Huh? Ah, chill. Bless you. Thank you. You really are sick. Oh well, maybe if you rest at home, you'll feel better. Yeah. Well, let's go. Come on. Horrible. Ah. Thanks for walking me home, guys. It's okay. Even if we did miss out on the party, it's probably over by now. Oh, I'm sorry you had to miss the party. That's okay. Oh, Well, I better get some rest. Yeah, okay. Well, we'll get going now. Bye. Bye. Hope you feel better. Thanks. Oh. Oh, I feel even worse. I'm starting to feel a little better, but I don't need to go to the doctor's. It's just a little cough I have. Oh. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, is the party over already, Duke? Yeah, you just missed it. Oh, that's too bad. Well, it was important for us to take Pepper home. Well, yes. There probably is gonna be another party. Well, I'm just cleaning up for the party. Yeah, so unless you want to help me clean, that's all that's left of the party. No, I don't really want to clean. Neither do I. Okay, well, this place is, well, getting cleaned up already. Okay, well, we're gonna go home. Yeah, or we're gonna go see Pepper. Well, I can't go see Pepper. I gotta go to the library. Oh, okay. Oh, bye. Bye. You think I got a cough too? Oh, I think after I clean, I'm gonna go home and take some medicine. Boy, I better go before I get sick. Bye. Bye. By the way, feel better. Thanks. Are you feeling better, Pepper? Yeah, but ooh, I already took some medicine. That's good. Well, it looks like Duke got your cough. Really? Oh, that's too bad. I know. Well, Coconut has to go to the library. So do I. So bye. Bye. Feel better. Thanks. I think I got the cough too. Oh, everybody's getting my cough. Oh, I hope Coconut doesn't get it. Or Fetch. Or Waddles. Bye. Bye. Oh, I have given everybody my cough. Oh, hi. I'm done from the library, Pepper. Oh, hi, guys. Guess what? Oh, what? I don't feel bad anymore. My cough's gone. Well, mine hasn't. Mine's has. Good for you, Duke. I better go home. Okay, bye. Like, Pepper, I feel better. I don't have a cough. That's good. We don't have a cough anymore. Bye.